I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a patent for an idea. First, you'll want to conduct a comprehensive patent search to confirm your invention is truly unique and not obvious. This crucial step helps avoid wasted effort and resources. Next, meticulously document your idea, including detailed descriptions and clear drawings. Finally, identify the correct patent type for your invention, whether it's a utility, design, or plant patent, as each has distinct requirements. Once your initial research is complete, you'll decide between a provisional or non-provisional patent application. A provisional application offers a 12-month window to secure an early filing date, allowing more time to refine your invention. It's less formal and doesn't require claims. Conversely, a non-provisional application is a complete filing, demanding detailed claims and undergoing a formal examination process. Choose the option that best suits your invention's current stage of development. Preparing your patent application involves several key components. You must draft precise claims that clearly define the boundaries of your invention, typically numbering at least one independent claim and several dependent claims. The application also requires a comprehensive specification, including a background, summary, and detailed description of your invention. Finally, gather all necessary forms, pay the required filing fees, which can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, and submit your complete application to the Patent Office. After filing, your application enters the examination phase, where a patent examiner assesses its novelty and non-obviousness. You may receive office actions, which are communications from the examiner detailing rejections or objections. It's crucial to respond to these promptly, typically within 3 months, addressing all concerns. If your patent is granted, remember to pay maintenance fees at 3.5, 7.5, and 11.5 years to keep your patent in force for its full 20-year term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.